Hey everyone, this is Andrew from Investigator Advice, and in this review I'm going to be reviewing the BESTEK 6-port USB quick charger with an additional C port as well. So let's do an unboxing, let's test the charging device, and at the end we'll talk about the rest of the stuff. Okay guys, I thought I'd go a little old school here and do an unboxing with some narration. So here we go here. Alright, so the first thing I see here, it looks like the power cord. It's got this, I don't know, it feels like a phone cord. It's nice. And then we have the USB hub here from BESTEK here. I will say, just run off the top here, this feels fancy. Like, I don't know, this is different. This is a different design than I've seen on most USB hubs. It's got, from what so far I can tell, it's got 7. This is a Type C. And these are your standard USB ports here. These all say Auto 2.4 on them. 2.4 amps on all these around here. And this has got to be the power connector here. Just on the top, I see there's some little nubbies. I always like to see nubbies on the bottoms of these things because keeps them from slipping, but we'll see that in a little bit here. Yeah, overall, I mean, just off the top here, I like the look of it. Comes with a little thank you card here. And it's got the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this, and we'll talk about this in a little bit more in a second. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and do the charge test here. And so I'm going to start with my charger that came with the this Samsung Note 5. I'll go ahead and plug it in here so you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and we're going to see how long it will take to charge my phone. So I plugged it in here. And we're at 2% here. So I'm going to give it a second. Okay, it says 1 minute and, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Yep, I'm sorry, 1 hour and 48 minutes to charge my phone up with the charger. All right, so now what we're going to do is going to take the USB out of my charger, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it into one of these ports. All right. So I'm going to give it a second here. Let it recognize the input. All right. Try that again here. 1 hour and 49 minutes. I'm going to try it one more time just in case it's not recognizing it properly. Wow, no, 1 hour, 49 minutes to charge. So this is basically just as fast as my fastest charger. This thing here. That's pretty impressive. I want to check that one more time. Because that usually never happens. Try it one more time here on my typical charger. 1 hour and 47 minutes. So basically the exact same charge coming out of this BESTEK as my fastest charger. And this usually is pretty dead on in regards to the speed of charging. So I'm really impressed. Yeah, 1 hour and 46 minutes. It's just as fast. Wow. Bravo, BESTEK. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to provide some final thoughts real quick on this device. First of all, I think they did a really good job with this. Just the look of it, it's very nice looking. I think this is a great thing to just have on your desk in your office or to take with you on the road because it's small, compact, kind of flat. I love that these ports charge as fast as my fastest charger that came with my phone. Super cool, really love that. Overall, I just think they did a great job. They got the rubber nubs on the bottom. They keep it from slipping and scratching anything that, the surface that it's on. It's classy looking. Again, BESTEK did a good job again with this product. I was actually really pleased with this and happy to be able to review it for them. Anyways, if this is something you're looking for, if you're looking for a charging hub, you got to check this out. I think it's reasonably priced. You should take a look at it. And again, BESTEK, thank you for letting me review this. This is a good one. Thanks, guys.